On a remote island where sea crashes against cliffs, three broken souls yearn for connection. A tower stands alone, one woman's refuge from the world, until hope finds its way in. Simon, a silent child, survivor of the sea. Joe, a father shaped by grief. Carowin, an artist haunted by her past. Bound by love and violence, they form an unlikely family, but secrets weigh heavy, and healing demands its price. Three broken pieces, one shared destiny. The Bone People, where magic and reality intertwine. A novel by Keri Hulme.